Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Geenie camera keeps going offline in 2026. So you need to start by checking your network where the camera is installed. You can stand near the camera and then you can test the Wi-Fi signal on your phone. If the signal is weak, you can move your router closer or you can install a Wi-Fi extender. If the issue still persists, you can just simply refresh the connection completely. For that, you just have to first of all unplug your Geenie camera from power, then simply wait for at least 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds, simply plug it back in. After that, you need to unplug your router as well, and then wait for further 30 seconds, and then you need to turn that back on. After that, you need to allow further 2 to 3 minutes for the camera to reconnect. This particular step going to clear any temporary connection drops that are causing the offline issue. Now, if it is keep disconnecting, you can also basically reconnect it. For that, simply go to your Geenie application. Inside it, you just have to tap on the camera which is already selected. Then after selecting it, you just have to basically remove this particular camera from your phone. After that, you need to press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds or until the light flashes. Then you need to go back to the app, click on the option of add device, select your camera, and then you can start the setup again. This particular step also fixes the pairing and the syncing relating problems that are basically causing the repeated offline status. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.